Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to freeze Snapchat location. So first thing that you will do is simply open up your Snapchat application, and from here just tap on your profile on the top left corner of the screen, and from here tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and from here just simply scroll down guys until you see over here see my location. So it will be over here guys. And from here, just simply tap on ghost mode over here. And from here, you should be able to freeze your Snapchat location. You can freeze it for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off. So guys, just simply select what you prefer. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more about this application. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below and we will try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching guys. See ya.